Hello everyone. My name is Ali. I'm an Arabic native speaker, but I'm also fluent in English, too. Since I'm a bilingual having the ability to speak in both of Arabic and English, so here you have a great opportunity to learn Arabic from a native speaker, whose mother tongue is Arabic. I will accompany you on a beautiful journey where we learn Arabic language from scratch until we reach an advanced level of fluency. We are going to learn Arabic in the way that native speakers do, aiming to acquire the language beyond just the basics. Throughout our educational adventure, numerous native Arabic speakers will join us, such as Uncle Adam, supporting us and providing his expertise. Our roadmap for the Arabic learning journey is as follows. First of all, we start with the Arabic alphabet. We'll explore the letters, learn how to pronounce each one, how to write them, and how to use them in examples. Then we'll try to build up a basic vocabulary of common words and phrases used in daily life. Then we'll get to understand the basic grammar rules, such as sentence structure, gender, and verb conjugation. Then we'll work on your pronunciation by listening to native speakers and practicing speaking. Then we'll begin reading simple texts to improve your reading skills and comprehension. Then we'll start writing simple sentences and gradually move to paragraphs to improve your writing skills. Then we'll manage to listen to Arabic conversations, songs, and news to train your ear skills. Then we'll get engaged in conversations with native speakers or through language exchange programs. Finally, as you become more comfortable, we will expand your vocabulary and you will learn more complex grammar rules. I'm very excited to start the Arabic journey with your company. See you in the next video. Let's get started.